Hey, this is Matt Boggs, and today I want to share with you an eye-opening secret that can sabotage your relationship. Now, you already know that you have paradigms, you have beliefs that serve you, and you have limiting beliefs just like I do. These limiting beliefs or paradigms, their job is to keep us single, to keep us from having the result that we want. And there's a particular way that it can do this so that if you're not careful, you can let it sabotage your love life. And here's what I call it. I call it love versus values. Here's what happens. Your paradigm will take something that you highly value and pit it against your love life and say, you can have one of these and you've got to choose. You can either have this or you can have this. Let me give you an example. One of my clients described how this was working in her life, where she got divorced, her daughter was young, and she decided, I cannot date and be a great mom. I don't want to bring a new man into the life of my little daughter. So I decided to be a great mom, and I raised her, and she spent 17 years sabotaged by this belief, not knowing she could actually have both. Her daughter became an adult, and so she decided to go after her love life. The paradigm knew this strategy worked so well that it just picked a different value and said you could either have this or love. And what the value was, it was love or career. And the paradigm told her, you can't have this career and a relationship because you won't have enough focus. If you take your focus off of your business, it's going to fail. And so we actually worked on that one. I worked on that one with her. We got the belief in alignment that no, you can't actually have your career and love. What if that actually supported your career? And here's what's interesting. The moment that she got over that paradigm, on the very same call, the paradigm chose a different value to pit against love. And it was love versus home. And she said, well, I live in a small town, this beautiful, amazing, magical place. I know everybody in this town. I know my man's not here, so if I meet the man of my dreams, I'll have to leave the home that I love. And it became love versus home. And so here's what you can do. When you've got a paradigm pitting love versus some value that you have, and is saying you got to choose between one or the other, that's a limiting paradigm. You can actually have both. So what you want to do is you want to change the versus into an ampersand, a both and. Move from either or and go into both and. And here's what I help this woman understand is that she could have the love that she wants and be the mom that she wants to be, and the career woman and have the business that she wants, and live in the home that she wants to live in and in the location that she wants to live in. So be highly aware when your paradigm is trying to tell you you can't have this and that. Change the verses to an ampersand and expand the possibility for your love life. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.